before they will pay me? No.
And this is a sad truth that most contractors have to deal with. They do the job and homeowner decide to fucking bail out. But I'm here to show you a better alternative if you're a contractor or a homeowner, things that actually put in place for your own protection. So over here is AllBetter app. I posted a job for some concrete work and I am getting bid directly. My budget was $800 and I'm getting bids directly from each individual contractors. Notice how some they might not have any reviews just because they're brand new to the ecosystem. And we don't trust those reviews that might come from, Yelp and Google and all that shit. Everybody get to say whatever they think it's a fair price. I see someone I like, I click on it, I go around here and I see reviews of the work that they actually have done and what exactly the clients and what's the star ratings. And so before I hire any of these contractors, the AllBetter will have credit card on file. So they will hold that amount of money that I agree to hire whatever contractors. Total transparency. They want $500 or $1,000. And if I choose to hire the $1,000 guy, they will hold that $1,000 in escrow account. And once the contractor finished the work, take photos, upload it, send an invoice digital through the app, no exchange of personal information. They have 24 hours to rate the reviews and give us the okay to release the funds. There's this very small fee of a 10%, but from that 10%, they handle the credit card fees and everything. So if it's $1,000 that the contractors is willing to do the job for, they will receive $900 into directly their bank account. This way, they don't have to deal with situations like you completed the work and now the customer said, oops, I don't have any money to pay. Link in my bio. Also go to allbetterapp.com.